Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we are going to learn about OLL, or orientation of the last layer, where we will solve the top color of the last layer. This is the third step of the CFOP method after you have completed the first two layers. The OLL method that you will learn in this tutorial is called the two-look OLL. It is a two-steps approach to solve the top color of the last layer, and it only requires 10 algorithms as compared to the full OLL method, where you will need to know 57 algorithms. Alright, all set, let's go. In step 1 of the two-look OLL, you will create a cross on the last layer. There are three cases. The first case is called the line case. At this stage, you can ignore all the corner pieces and just focus on the center and the edge pieces. To solve this case, position the line horizontally and apply this algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. The second case is called the hook case. The algorithm used to solve this case has a lowercase f, where it will require you to move the front and middle layers together, like so. To start solving this case, place the hook pointing to the right and towards you, like so, and apply this algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. The third case is called the dot case. The algorithm used to solve this case is a combination of the algorithm used for the line and hook cases. You can hold your puzzle cube in any directions and apply this algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. You will get the hook case, and you position the hook to point towards the right and towards you. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. In step 2 of the two-look OLL, you'll solve the corners of the last layer. In total, there are 7 cases. The first case is called the ANTI-SUNE case, where one corner is solved, and when you place it at the bottom left, like so, you will have one yellow corner facing you. To solve this case, hold your puzzle cube in this position and apply this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. The second case is called the ANTI-SUNE case. It looks very similar to the ANTI-SUNE case. It has one corner solved, but instead of the yellow corner pointing towards you, now the yellow corner is pointing to the right, like so. To solve this case, hold your puzzle cube with the soft yellow corner in the top left, like so, and apply this algorithm. R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R. The third case is called the H case, where you have two pairs of headlights opposite of each other. And it forms like a H character. To solve this case, position one pair of the headlights pointing to the left and the other pair pointing to the right, like so. Then apply this algorithm. R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R. The fourth case is called the pi case. In this case, you have one yellow corner pointing to the left and another one pointing to the right. Then there are two yellow corners pointing to the bottom, like headlights. Together it forms like the pi symbol. To solve this case, position your puzzle cube with the headlights pointing to the left, like so, and apply this algorithm. R, U2, R2, U prime, R2, U prime, R2, U2, R. The next case is called the L case. In this case, you have a yellow corner pointing to the top and another yellow corner pointing to the right. And it forms like the L character. To solve this case, position your puzzle cube with one of the corners pointing towards you on the left side like so. Then apply this algorithm. F, R prime, F prime, and we apply a small r where you will rotate the middle and the right side. R, U, R, U prime, and a small r prime. The next case is called the T case. In this case, you have one yellow corner pointing to the left and another opposite yellow corner pointing to the right. It forms like the letter T. To solve this case, you position your puzzle cube with one of the yellow corners pointing away from you and the other one pointing towards you on the left side like so. Then you will apply this algorithm. Small r, U, R prime, U prime, small r prime, F, R, F prime. The seventh and the last case is called the U case. In this case, you have two yellow corners pointing in the same direction, like headlights. It forms like the letter U. To solve this case, position the headlights to point towards you. Then apply this algorithm. R2, D, R prime, U2, R, D prime, R prime, U2, R prime. We have come to the end of this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.